Ombasa Sharon. And before anything else, let's have a word of prayer. Lord Almighty, we come unto these moments, Lord. Lord, as we're going to start our lesson, by your prayers, this is my humble prayer that I will pray and believe. Amen. Okay, welcome all to this class, and today we are going to talk about the cathode ray tubes.
As I have introduced, a CRT is in full it is called cathode ray tube, and this is a device which allows the amplitude of such signals to be displayed primarily as a function of time. So the basics of CRT include this: the cathode ray tube CRT is the art of Yaro. So the CRT generates the electron beam, accelerates the beam, deflects the beam, and also have a screen where beam becomes visible as a spot. Thank you.
Okay, class, we are going to see the main parts of CRT. So the first one is electron cam, the second one is the deflection system, and the third one fluorescent screen one. The fourth one glass tube or envelope, and then the last one is base.
As we have introduced, we are going to talk about the CRT. Is a part of CRO. So let us see the different parts of the CRT, the cathode ray tube. So the cathode ray tube contains the cathode and the anode. These are the two terminals of the cathode ray tube. The cathode is the positive, the negative terminal, while the anode is the positive terminal of the cathode ray tube. It is also having the heating filament. Yes. Then we move to the electrican. So the electrican consists of the two anodes. There is a focusing anode and the accelerating anode. That is for the case of electron gun. The way we are classified, we have seen the parts of the CRT. We also have the deflection system. So the deflection system contains the two plates. It is containing the Y plates and the X plates. It is containing the X plates and the Y plates. Then we move to the electron beam. So the electron beam is just the beams of light which is moving, which has been ejected from the cathode. It is moving directly towards the screen. So this one is the screen whereby the images are going to be formed. It is called the fluorescent screen. It's called the fluorescent screen. So the fluorescent screen is going to form the images of different bodies in form of bright spots. That is the simple working, or the simple parts of the cathode ray tube. Thank you.
Class, I want to take you on an electron gun. Electron gun is a section in the cathode ray tube which provides a sharply focused electron beam directed towards the fluorescent coated screen. The section starts from the thermal-heated cathode emitting the electrons. The control grid is given negative potential with respect to the cathode. This grid controls the number of electrons in the beam going to the screen.
This is how the
CRT works. The momentum of the electrons determines the intensity of or brightness of the light emitted from a fluorescent screen due to the electron bombardment. The light emitted is usually of the green color. When the electron beam is accelerated, it passes through the deflection. And now I will show you a small video how the cathode ray tube works.
Pump is used to evacuate the discharge tube. The cathode of the tube is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and the anode of the tube is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. It was observed that, at normal pressure, the gas did not allow the current to pass through it. However, when the pressure of the tube was reduced to 0.001 mm Hg, and A high potential difference between 10 kV and 20 kV was applied. At the end of the tube, a glow was seen on the walls of glass tube. The rays emitted by the cathode travel towards anode. The attraction of rays towards anode reveals that the rays carry negative charge. Properties of cathode rays are 1. When any object is placed in the path of the cathode rays, these rays cast shadows. This shows that cathode rays travel in straight line. 2. When a wheel was placed in the path of cathode rays, the wheel rotates. This shows that rays consist of some particle and some kinetic energy. 3. In the presence of an electric field, the rays are deflected towards the positive plate. This confirms that cathode rays consist of negatively charged particles. 4. In the presence of a magnetic field, the rays are deflected. This shows that the cathode rays are affected by the magnetic field.
Hope you have enjoyed the video how the cathode rays work. Now we are going to learn about the fluorescent screen. The light produced by the screen does not disappear immediately when bombardment by electrons occurs, i.e. when the signals become zero. The time period for which the trace remains on the screen after the signal becomes zero is known as persistence or fluorescence. The persistence may be as short as a few microseconds or as long as tens of seconds or even minutes. That is how the cathode ray tube works, and hope you have enjoyed the video.